Chapter 28. Source of Cosmic Energy in Existence. Introduction. Cosmic energy is all around us. We exist in this energy. We are born in this energy. This is the divine energy. From where this energy comes? What is the source of this energy? It is the mystery of existence. Science has not any clue of this energy. Its source has not been perceived. As I understand, no contemplation exists about this energy. Its origin is not yet unfolded in any context and scenario. It is a deep mystery of existence. In this chapter, the source of this divine energy, as conceived, is brought out. No physical evidence is found. However, subjective inner science is the backbone to unfold this mystery. No one needs to believe in this subject unless one visualizes it by taking himself into the zone of deep silence. One can certainly perceive glimpses of cosmic energy in existence in deep silence. Before one perceives glimpses of cosmic energy, he experiences mild, deep, pleasant sound from his surroundings in silence, particularly at night when there is no noise of any kind around. In this pleasant, mild sound, he experiences and listens as a human, cause of mild, pleasant sound energy. Any noise or sound is produced when two objects strike each other. It is energy of friction due to contact between objects, which produces traces of heat energy by wear due to rubbing contacts of electrons on the surfaces of two objects. However, part of this energy of rubbing creates mild noise and sound, which we hear through ears. This noise or sound is energy that gets transmitted into air and through air to nearby locations because of rubbing of objects. This energy can travel some distance and then get absorbed in the surrounding airspace. If we are close to the contact surfaces of both objects, we can hear sound or noise before this energy gets absorbed in the surrounding airspace. There is another kind of mild sound that has an altogether different origin, which one listens when he is in deep silence. This is named as Anahad Naad, cause of Anahad Naad energy. This is another kind of very mild, pleasant sound. It is produced by itself without rubbing of objects. This is called Anahad Naad. It is assumed to be produced by moving electrons inside of any object by their haphazard transactions with other electrons in various directions. Every object of existence, whether small or big, produces this mild, pleasant sound. This is because of the fact that every object of this universe is in motion. The universe is also in motion. It is expanding continuously. Nothing is standstill in existence. This mild sound one cannot easily listen by gross ears without very deep concentration in absolute silence. It is self-produced sound getting emitted from inside of an object. It is without rubbing. It is extremely mild. It is continuous movements of electrons inside of an object without any outside impact. It seems to be divine sound since it is not produced by any interaction of two objects. It is called anahad, that is, self-produced. It is like a sound produced by movement of one hand without striking with another. Universe in continuous motion. It has been well established by science that in this universe, every object is in motion, including planets, stars, earth, river, oceans, plants, mountains, and all objects of this existence. When every object is in movement, then its inner constituents, that is, atoms, electrons, etc., must be in movement. All these transmit mild sound energy by their movements to their surroundings. Movements of electrons. These movements generate continuous energy from inside of an object. This generated energy partially gets emitted to surroundings, that is, nearby space. It is very mild, it gets widely transmitted, continuously around, it becomes gradually enormous, and this mild, pleasant sound energy spreads all around surroundings. This energy is of variable frequencies and pitches since it comes from a variety of objects virtually moving but looking as static. The source of this pleasant mild sound may be from nearby sources or may be faraway sources in space. This energy of sound exists around us, but we cannot hear by our gross senses since this is beyond the frequency range of our sensing instruments, that is, ears. However, a deep silence of our minds and surroundings assist us to perceive this mild, pleasant sound. Effect of deep silence. Anyone who is really interested to listen to this deep, mild, pleasant sound of Naad, he has to be in the state of deep silence. To be in deep silence, one must be alone in a secluded place. It is better if it is complete darkness all around. Also, there should not be any kind of external sound and disturbances. Furthermore, one must be in deep meditation. There must not be any thought in his mind. The mind must be annihilated. The breath rate should be the least, or it should be suspended. It is better and helpful if one is in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. To experience Naad. To experience this divine Naad, the body of the aspirant should be still, and consciousness must be at the apex center or outside the physical body, very close to the head. One must be closely aware of his surroundings. At this stage, he will clearly perceive Anahad Naad, that is, very pleasant, mild sound from the existence. This is the mild, pleasant sound of electrons moving in the objects and the space around us. One will clearly perceive this in the form of AUM sound with variables, pitches, and frequencies. Sound of a AUM. At the pilgrimage divine places having intensive, subtle divine energy, AUM sound can be clearly felt by an aspirant in his Chida Akasha of the brain. In the space, NASA scientists have recorded this pleasant, mild sound. Basically, this sound is present everywhere with different intensities and variable frequencies. It is so mild that any available instrument is unable to record it in the noise or sound of hassle and bustle around us. In the deep silent space of cosmos, scientists could record AUM vibrations very precisely. In deep meditation, when one is with the self, then it is perceived very easily as if it is present everywhere. Cosmic energy and energy of Anahad Naad. Anahad Naad comes from all sky bodies, voids, and vacuum existing in the space and continuous movements of electrons inside of all living and non-living objects. This Naad, that is AUM sound, gets very well spread all around. Whole of its energy cannot get absorbed in space, so it is widely spread as cosmic energy in space. It is manifested divine energy of God. This energy of AUM gets widely spread in the form of cosmic energy. It is basically divine energy. It is self-sustaining energy. It is continuously generated by movement of electrons inside of all objects, including voids and vacuum spaces in the existence. It is continuously manifesting in the cosmos. It is from inner built-up of all bodies and objects of the universe in existence, as all objects and bodies are revolving either around their own axis or around other bodies. This cosmic energy is gradually manifesting and aspiring unmanifested spirit energy to manifest. This unending cycle is continuously going on in the universe. Play of energy, formation and disintegration of sky bodies. Cosmic energy forms various planets when this energy gets frozen by mystic ways in this universal existence having very low temperature. Also, various sky bodies get disintegrated with time regenerating cosmic energy. This cosmic energy generates AUM, divine sound, that is everlasting energy. It is also the basic originator source of human consciousness and soul. In this existence, all virtual, causal, subtle, and gross energies are closely linked with each other in a mysterious and complex pattern. Multiple roles of cosmic divine energy in existence. This cosmic divine energy is the surplus reservoir of divine energy of AUM. It is widely spread in the cosmic space. It is the source to disintegrate the unmanifested spirit to manifest it. Cosmic divine energy is generator of human consciousness and soul. All subtle energies are the fragment of cosmic energy, which itself is reservoir of divine AUM energy, source of light. Absolute governs the cosmic energy in mysterious way. Cosmic energy creates light when it travels with enormous speed through dense void and vacuum space, that is, Mahashunya. Many suns of infinite galaxies are by virtue of this divine cosmic energy of the vast existence. Divine cosmic energy is the main source of everlasting source of light. It is also the cause and source of eternal light in human beings. Concluding remarks. AUM sound is the source of origin of cosmic divine energy, which in turn is the basic miraculous source of all subtle energies, including our consciousness and human existence on the planet. It is mysterious, undisclosed mystery of existence. How this miracle is being operated is deeply covered, unimaginable mystery beyond human perception. Suns in different galaxies are one of the many miraculous gifts of cosmic divine power. On the background of all closed mysteries is the divine energy of AUM, which is deeply knitted in all existing objects of the existence. Every mystery is closed circuit depending on each other. Nothing is lost in this existence, only forms and shapes are changed. All is because of mysterious mystery of cosmic divine energy. AUM. Energy is basic source of all energies of the universe in the existence.